Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing Facts I Bet You Didn't Know Part 4, ukulele version. Let's get into it. Fact 1. Did you know the ukulele originates from Hawaii? One of the pioneers is called Manuel Nunes. Did you know that the ukulele was formerly called machete, which originated from Portugal? Did you know the first ukulele was made in 1879 and has 4 strings, G, C, E, and A? Pass me the ukulele, Ronald McDonald. Whoa, you've got to be more careful with that, Ronald McDonald. Anyways, G, C, E, A. Did you know that the ukulele means jumping free in Hawaiian and is nicknamed Ukes? Okay, Ukes. Did you know that the ukulele was made of mahogany wood, but the cheapest is plastic? If you didn't know it, you know now. Do you know there are 2 types of ukulele, acoustic and electrical? And they come in 4 different sizes: concert, tenor, soprano, and finally baritone. Did you know Neil Armstrong, the first man on the moon, loved to play a ukulele? This is it for this video. I hope this is it. I hoped you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.